So we're going to Haleakala National Park. Say, okay. Say hi, Sammy. Sammy's watching Cocomelon. We got our Starbucks. And Anash went to the restroom as usual. So apparently there is no restaurants in Haleakala National Park.
Don't get pointing down. Chim chim. Look at this. And then we come here. Look over here. Hey! Chim chim. And now look. Alright.
Alright.
Let's take a picture. Woo. So gorgeous. Just can't get. These are volcanic rocks. They're pretty loose. Don't really have any smell to them. We are at the top of Haleakala, and the summit is called Pu'u'ulaula. Pretty simple trail. It's not very hard at all. Pretty grippy. The parking is right here, so you don't have to go too far. That's the crater. That's the Maui crater. Look at that. It's very surreal. You have mountains. You have the mountains right here. You have a crater. You have the Pacific Ocean far off on that side. Come over here. We're literally on top of the sky, top of the clouds. And you can see all the way far down there. That's gonna be where all the beaches are. That's where we came from. It's absolutely amazing.
New
Say hi.
vlogger in town, right, Sammy?
That's crazy. You can see all the mountains. And that's me. There I am. Nice. So this is the crater down here. Yeah, I would not want to slide down that.